beauties! In this video I'm gonna show you all the beauty products I used up in February 21. The first product I used up is an anti-transparent from Aveo, Stress and Sport Protect. You can get it from Müller. It has a motion force technology. That means whenever you move it reactivates itself and you get good protection from it, and it did all what I wished and was a very great anti-transparent, and it should last about 48 hours it says, but I'm not sure about that. It worked very well and protected me very good, so I would purchase it again. By the way, if you like beauty and unboxing videos, I would be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. The next product is this Asia Straight hair mask from Gliscor, and I love this brand. Gliscor is one of my favorite hair brands, and I bought it on a layover trip to Milano because I'm a flight attendant. That's why it's in Italian as well, the description. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't speak Italian, so I went to the schwarzkopf.com website for more information. It is with lipid complex and Asian flower essence, specifically designed to repair dry, stressed hair and seal the structure. It really made my hair feel nourished and smooth. I would definitely buy again. The third product I used up is this shower gel from Petit Marseillais with orange blossom scent. It's 100% recyclable and pH neutral to the skin. At Coop in Switzerland it cost 3 francs and 50. I liked it, and that's why I would buy it again. Next up is this bubble bath, this big bottle from Isana, and I got it as a gift from someone who has no bathtub, and I love to take a bath. You can get it at the Rossmann drugstore in Germany. So it made a lot of bubbles and didn't let my skin feel dry after it, and quite nourished. It is without microplastic. It has an olive oil scent and I really loved it. You can buy it for 99 cents now. Next up, I used up this Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes and lips. It removed everything very good and fast. On import.ch it cost 10 francs 30 for 50 milliliter. Then I used up this regular size OB day and night tampons in the last few months. They were easy to use, didn't leave a dry feeling, they did their job, and the price for them is 6 francs 50. The seventh product is this liquid hand soap from CN. This brand is from Aldi. It was a limited edition. It smelled heavenly after a chocolate muffin, and it cleaned and moisturized my hands very well. Then we have this face serum from Beauty. It's a deep hydration serum with aloe vera, hyaluron and vitamin E. I applied it every morning and evening after I took a shower or washed my face. It looks like that, just a few drops on the neck and face. I liked it very much. Then I used up a lot of cotton pads. One from Primark for €1.50. This one is from DM, from Germany, and from Pinkbox, this small one. I do monthly unboxing Pinkbox videos, so for the latest one, check out my info box down below. I mainly use them for removing my makeup or applying toner after washing my face. I'm not picky at all with the brand of cotton pads. They do the job. And of course I take care of my dental hygiene. That's why I used up this toothpaste again. It's the same like in the last empties video with mint. Yes, that's nice. Next up we have this After Sun Cooling and Moisturizing After Sun Gel for sensitive skin from Ultrasun. It is a Swiss sun care brand made in Switzerland. It moisturized very good and absorbed fast. It's non-sticky and had a great cooling effect. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a like or a comment down below. Check out the other videos if you have time. I hope to hear from you. See you next time. Bye!